Shri Vishnu is one of the principal Hindu deities. Lord Mahavishnu is one of the deities in three Murtis. The three functions of the world, namely creation, maintenance, and destruction, are being done by three Murtis. Vishnu is known as the preserver in them. Here's a list of 10 most popular Vishnu temples in India. Badrinath Temple, Uttarakhand. Foremost among the Vishnu temples would be Badrinath Temple in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. According to Skanda Puran, it ranks the highest of all the temples in the earth, heaven, and netherworld. It is at Badrinath Temple that both the Char Dham, All India Char Dham, and Himalayan Char Dham culminate their pilgrimage trajectories. Since it is widely believed that a visit to Badrinath is incomplete before visiting Kedarnath beforehand, Badrinath Kedarnath Yatra is another important pilgrimage Hindus embark upon at least once in their lifetime. The temple's idol is believed to have been discovered and enshrined by Adi Shankaracharya in the 8th century from the waters of Alakananda river, upon whose banks the temple is presently situated. Badrinath temple is open for darshan only half a year, the summer months of May to October, owing to its location in the wintry land of Garaval Himalayas. Jagannath Temple, Orissa. The Ratha Yatra of Jagannath Temple is famous throughout India. In this chariot festival, the trade of idols, Sri Krishna, along with his siblings Balram and Subhadra, are carried in procession from the temple till Gundicha temple, located about 3 km away from the temple. The magnificent chariots of dimensions 45 feet in height and 35 feet square in area are the creative work of painters, artists, and craftsmen for over 2 months. Hundreds of devotees pull the elaborately ornate chariots in its annual Ratha Yatra festival. Jagannath Temple is the first to be visited in the Chardham Yatra decided by Adi Shankaracharya, following the rules of Parikrama to move from east towards the west in clockwise direction. Jagannath Temple, Ramanatha Swami Temple, Dwarkadish Temple, and Badrinath Temple. The temple has served as spiritual abode for many renowned saints like Ramanuja Ramananda, Adi Shankaracharya, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Ranganatha Swami Temple, Tamil Nadu. The majestic Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple, spanning across a whopping 156 acres, is undoubtedly the largest functioning Hindu temple in the entire world. Of the 108 Divya Deshams exemplified by Alvars, Tamil saint poets between 5th century to 10th century BCE, Sri Rangam is considered to be the first and the most important. The enormously large temple structure is constructed over an island formed by rivers Kaveri and Kuleran. Its idol is said to have been one of the rare self-manifested forms of Vishnu. Venkateshwara Temple, Tirumala. The landmark Venkateshwara Temple is located in Tirumala in Chittor district, is said to be the site of Kali Yuga Vaikunt. It is said that Lord Venkateshwara has incarnated upon the ascribed site to save humanity from the trials and tribulations of the difficult Kali Yuga. The temple is considered to be the richest in terms of financial offerings received. Some of the other names devotees call Venkateshwara includes Balaji, Srinivas, and Govinda. The location of the temple in the 7th peak of Sheshachalam is a cluster of 7 peaks which is said to emulate Vishnu's reclining over the 7-headed Adishesha. The temple, built in traditional Dravidian architecture, houses the deity of Venkateshwara. The deity is in a standing position and faces the east direction. It is believed that the deity would remain in place till the end of Kali Yuga. Dwarkadish Temple, Gujarat. The present Krishna temple at Dwarka, archaeologically credited to have been over 2000 to 2200 years old, is said to have been originally constructed by Sri Krishna's son Vajranabha over what constituted the residential place of Sri Krishna himself. Sri Krishna, the eighth and the most revered of Vishnu's Dashavatar, is said to have reigned over the kingdom of Dwaraka in the Dwapara Yuga. The enlargement and modification of the temple in Chalukya architectural style is attributed to 15th and 16th century. The magnificently built five-storied building has 72 pillars. Padmanabhaswamy Temple, Kerala. The name Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala, translates as the city of Lord Ananta after the very Padmanabhaswamy temple situated within its contours. The deity is venerated as the familial guardian deity of Travancore royal family. The temple architecture is a beautiful fusion of indigenous Kerala and Tamil styles. The major deity of the temple is Lord Vishnu, reclining in his yogic sleep posture of Ananta Shanam upon the serpent of Adishesha. Guruvayur Temple, Kerala. The four-armed form of Sri Vishnu worshipped in Guruvayur is called as Guruvayurappan. Guruvayur Temple is considered chief among the Vishnu temples in the state as well as the entire nation. The Dwaraka of South India is also affectionately called as Bhuloka Vaikuntha, the holy home of Vishnu upon earth. The legendary history of the temple is filled with tales of miracles associated with devout herd who worship at the sacred shrine. Equally noteworthy as the temple is its elephant yard of Punathur Kotta, which is home to over 56 elephants. The elephants, most of which are donated to the temple by the devotees, are worshipped as embodiments of Lord Guruvayurappan. The inner sanctum of the temple depicts Lord Padmanabh in a reclining position with his right hand upon a Shivalinga. Shri Devi Lakshmi and Bhudevi are worshipped alongside Vishnu as his consorts. Aswakalanta Temple, Guwahati. This famous temple, located on the banks of the beautiful Brahmaputra river, was built in 1720 AD by King Shiva Singha. Ashwakalanta translates to tired horses. There is an interesting legend behind such a name. It is said that this is the site at which the horses of Sri Krishna took rest at while he was moving in search of Narakasur. The temple underwent massive destruction in the year 1897 due to an earthquake. It was later renovated. Of the two idols worshipped in the temple, one is of Janardhan Lord and other is of Anantasai Vishnu. It is said that the beautifully intricate second idol dates back to 11th century. The temple and its surrounding environment is also a much cherished tourist site, especially for the mesmerizing sunset views offered by Brahmaputra river. Ramanathaswamy Temple, Bhadrachalam. Probably the most famous of Sri Ram temples in India, the Bhadrachalam Temple is a beautiful shrine adorning the serene banks of Godavari river. The area is also referred to as Dakshina Ayodhya, Ayodhya of South. The principal idol in the temple is of that of Vaikuntha Ram, Ram's form with four arms. This is attributed to the legend surrounding its conception, where Lord Ram granted darshan to Bhadra in the same form, forgetting that his incarnation as Ram was that of a mere human being. The other deities worshipped in the temple are Sita and Lakshman. The Murti is said to have been self-manifested. Srinathji Temple, Nathadwara, Rajasthan. The Srinathji Temple, located in Nathadwara along the banks of Banas river, worships Sri Krishna in the form of 7-year-old infant. The deity was transferred to the present site in the year 1672. The temple is intricately linked to Vallabhacharya, the Bhakta philosopher of medieval India who founded the Pushta sect in Vaishnavism. The artistry associated with the temple is called Pichwai paintings that depict Sri Krishna in beautiful scenes of Raslila. Many artists working on Pichwai paintings can be found in the surrounding environment of the Nathadwara temple.